and just have them really nicely standed up, that way they're not falling. Good morning. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Number one, I have a cold. I don't know, I don't feel good, but I've been taking some Dayquil because I don't really know what is the problem. I'm thinking it's a cold. My hair is in a bun. By the way, I dyed my hair like a dark brown, and I have a black shirt on. Typical, you know, always me, black shirt. Every time I'm in my house, like, I feel like I have a black shirt on. I don't know. But today, I decided to pick up the camera. I just received a package from Amazon, and I wanted to show you guys some things that I have purchased and some things that have been gifted to me, like housewarming gifts. So one thing I want to show you guys, one of the things I'm going to show you would have to be this knife set right here. So I wanted this as a gift for our new home, a brand new knife set, and plus it's orange, my favorite color. So I actually opened it and I have it set up. It's not in its permanent home right now, but I wanted to show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's so freaking beautiful. I absolutely love it. And all the knives are super sharp and super like sleek and professional looking. I love them. I think they're so pretty. That was one of the gifts I received. I also got this. This is the Rachel Ray salt and pepper grinder. Really pretty. Again, it's orange. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So here they are in person. Again, I love them. Orange is gonna be like my theme. Orange is my favorite color, and I think that's gonna be like my theme in the kitchen, what I'm going for. So here you have the salt and the pepper grinder. I have some salt in there now, but I have to get like some whole pepper for this. So I'm gonna grab my Amazon box and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Two little like knickknacks that I got, something really quick and easy that I got. I got this like bowl in Walmart. I think it was like 94 cents. I got it for, you know, like salsas or, you know, any dips or anything that I make. It's plastic. It was orange. I picked it up. I also got this six-sided grater. So, you know, just typical grater. It has 6 sides and it was orange, and again, really cheap. I think this was like $4 or $3 in Ross. So it caught my attention, and here it is. Here is my Amazon box. And I'm just gonna start pulling things out randomly. So the first thing I have here, this is the spoon rest that I ordered. So you know when you're like cooking on the stove and you're like stirring like your rice or your soup. Sorry, that's my dog. So I got this spoon rest, so you could just take like your spoon and set it in there. So I got that, and it's microwave safe, so you could also put like, you know, some sauce in there or something too if you wanted to, since it's microwavable. Yeah, so I got that because I needed something. It's a nice one. I got this. This is for my nene, my boy. This is a racing stripe, like wall decal. I don't know how well you can see it. So I'm actually going to show you guys how we're going to decorate his room. So this is one of the decals I have. So it's just basically racing stripes. We're going to go for like a racing theme. Although he's going to have, you know, other characters there, other characters in his room as well. I just decided to kind of stick with a racing theme and just add like pops of different characters. So another thing I got for his room would have to be this decal right here. So this has 19 of the car decals. So you have like Mater, you have Lightning, you just have a whole bunch of characters. So I think he'll really like this once we get these on the wall. Again, I'm going to bring you guys along with me for his room transformation. I got these, and these are LED night lights. I got these because it says that they are they're censored. So when it's dark, they're going to turn on, and when it's daytime, they're going to turn off. So I'm pretty excited to try these and see how well they work. Because it's really nice because my house is really dark at night. So this is what they look like. Just plug it in the wall. They're really cute and sleek, and they're not really bulky. So I think they'll fit nice like in the hallway, maybe one in the bathroom. And if they're really nice, then I'll get, you know, a few for like all over the house. Especially, you know, when we have like guests over, it's just really like convenient for them. The next thing I have here is this. You probably think I'm bougie as hell for getting this, but I really like this. This is an egg holder. So it's just acrylic, and it fits 14 eggs in it, and I just really like it. Instead of keeping like the cartons, I can just buy eggs, recycle them really fast, and just keep my eggs in here. So I got that. And the last thing, well, not the last thing, but one other thing I got in this box would be this track organizer. So it's basically for like your brooms and your mops and stuff like that. I'm gonna put this like in our laundry room just so we can hang up the mop and the broom and just have them really nicely standing up, that way they're not falling. So I have this. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's up as well. And everything was pretty cheap and affordable, which, you know, I love a good deal. And then the next and last thing I got are these. Oh my god, you really have to set this up. This is an expandable perforated, can't say that word, counter shelf in the color bronze. So this is what they look like. So I got these. I first wanted to get one set because I want to put them underneath my kitchen sink, and then if all goes well, I want to put them under my bathroom sink as well. So I'll see how these are put together, and I'll show you guys as well. This has nothing to do with Amazon, but I found a cute idea. I went to the dollar store and I saw that they had these bins. They had them in all different colors. They didn't have like an orange that was going with my orange theme, but they had gray, which was pretty neutral. So I decided to pick up one of these bins for $1. And as you can see, I just have like some chips in here. I thought it was really cool to keep everything like nice and organized. So $1, and I can fit all these chips in here. So it's easy access for, you know, Jacob, myself, you know, it's just really accessible. So I have this in one of my little snack drawers. And I also purchased this one. This one isn't filled like that one, but I just have like some crackers in here and some extra chips that didn't fit in the other one. But I'm thinking about going back and grabbing some more because it's a really good idea. So yeah, I got some of these. I'm gonna get some for like my bathroom as well. But I just wanted to test them out, and although they are, you know, like plastic for $1, if you're careful with them, they would last you. And even if, you know, you go like this, they're still durable. So for $1, you can't beat that at all. Alright, so I'm going to clean up because, I don't know, you guys can see I have a mess. I got a package from shophush.com. Well, not yet, their app. I purchased a new palette they came out with, so I'm excited to review that for you guys because I've been slacking on my makeup videos. So I'm gonna review that and have it up as soon as I can. Excuse my mess and the background, and I got a mess everywhere and I don't feel good. I have to clean and cook dinner. But okay, I'm gonna stop talking so I can catch my breath. So I'm gonna do what I have to do and I'll talk to you guys soon. Here I wanted to show you guys the thing that I purchased on Amazon for the broom and mop. So as you can see, it has two brooms. One of them is our indoor broom, and then one of them is like our outside, like our garage one. And then this is like our mop, our Swifter mop. So far so good. I love it. It's really sturdy. And I just love that it just like takes away from the clutter that we had right here with them like falling and everything. So I really like it. I think it's a good $12 spent, and it's really sturdy. So I'm really satisfied. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I purchased these 3 bins at the Dollar Tree. Each of them were $1. You can see those two are the same size, and then that one's a little bit different. So this is like my temporary like idea of what I have going on right now. So what I did is I just kind of rolled the towels up. These are like some dingy towels. These are like, you know, for outside, like to lay down on the grass or to go to the beach or for the pool, whatever, you know, just like dingy, regular, not so pretty towels. So I rolled them up and then I placed them in this little thingy here. And I don't know, I guess it's gonna be like what I'm gonna have my towels stored in for the meantime. And up there I have some better towels, but this is like the idea that I'm having. And when I put them back up there, you can see, you know, it doesn't look so bad. And like I mentioned before, I want to eventually get more shelves in this laundry room. Maybe like something here. I already have this on that wall, so that wall is occupied, and then I'm gonna put some shelves on this wall and then do something here. Like I just want to have a lot of storage here. I also purchased this from the Dollar Tree, which I'm gonna do like a little hanging thing here. When I do so, I'll show you guys. And also when I have my laundry room like the way I have it, I'm going to reorganize it and I'm going to make a separate video on that. But I just wanted to show you guys that idea just in case any of you are like in the same boat of like what to do with your towels. So I just got them there and they're out of the way. Here's some more. Good job putting it in the dryer. Here. Oh, not done. You got some more. Here. There's a little bit more. Here. Hold on. Some more. And on the floor, look. Okay, now close it. Close the door. It's okay, go ahead. You gotta close it like hard, like 1, 2, 3. Alright. Good job. Give me 5. Alright. Hold on. Got it. Okay, give me 5. Good job. Thank you. Love it, love it, love it. It looks so pretty! I'm gonna show you guys what Jacob's room looks like so far. So as you can remember, we were painting it. So what we did was we painted half of it red. I was gonna go with gray and red, but since the wall was already painted like this taupe-ish gray, I figured let me just leave it instead of wasting money on paint. Against the red, it does look a little bit more gray. I don't know how it's looking on my camera, but you can see they're half red and half gray. And then I purchased this vinyl racing stripe sticker, which I showed you guys before in the little haul. And I got that on Amazon, so I put that right in the middle. And then I purchased this big vinyl sticker of Lightning McQueen. And then over there, as you can see, I have the cars, some of the characters. Right in the middle, we have his name. And then on this side, we have some characters from Toy Story. He's obsessed with Toy Story. All of them, but I figured let me go with Toy Story 3 because he really likes Lotso as well. Lotso the hugging bear. But yeah, so some of them glow in the dark. I know it probably looks a little orange on camera, but I promise you it's like fire engine red. And his room is still a mess. And then like we put some there, and then some on the other side. I'm eventually going to put his TV right here on the wall, and then I know I'm missing some of the racing stripes right here, but that's coming in the mail. Yeah, and just, you know, his toys and everything is just all over the place, but I wanted to show you guys what his room looks like after we painted it and put up the stickers. Once I get it like fully organized, I'll show you guys again, because I do have a few DIY projects that I'm going to be working on for this room. But yeah, once I finish those, I will show you guys, of course. So yeah, let me know what you think of his room, if you like it. I really like it. Yeah, I had the idea, but of course, you know, his father is the patient one when it comes to painting, so I made him paint it. But yeah, this is his room. I really love it. So yeah, when this is all organized and stuff like that, I'll show you guys later on, and also the DIYs that I have going on as well. When I finish those, I will show you as well. Shopping for garbage cans.